Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a short and basic tutorial on how to get the best out of Rumble as far as uploading and getting your content out there for everyone else. As you can see from the screen, I've already logged into my account. There's absolutely nothing there because I don't usually upload to Rumble, but that's okay. The first thing you need to do to upload a video is you go all the way up here in the top right hand corner. You'll see the green camera icon with the little plus symbol. If you'll click on that, you'll see the pop-up menu there. It says upload video. So if you'll click on that, it does try to tell you to use the new Rumble Studio. I've tried it one time. It's absolute garbage. Don't even mess with it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is select your video to upload. Now I have it off screen, so I'm simply going to drag a test video I made earlier into the box. You can click on it and it'll open a window instead, whatever works for you. And once you drop it into the box, you'll see here it uploads. It's just a small 1 minute video, so it's not going to take long. If you have a longer video, expect it to take a longer time. Now the nice thing is you can leave this up for over 24 hours if it takes your video that long to upload, and as long as you don't close this window, the video will still work and upload. It doesn't interrupt anything. Just make sure you fill everything out before you scroll down and hit the upload button. First thing you're going to want is a title, of course. This is just a test video to show you how it's done. And I'm going to type that very thing. This is just a test video to show. I can't type today. You how it's done. And then you go to your category. This is important. This is going to help people search and find you. This is part of your tags. Make sure you set this. For this purposes, we're doing a how-to video. If you're doing a normal other video, you pick whatever you should normally do. Automotive, cooking, entertainment, whatever it could be. As I said, this is a how-to, so I'm going to stick with that. Second category, this is a list of all most popular video games. This adds that tag to whatever video you're uploading. You're going to want to do that because it will help get your video out there. Let's say today you played a Sonic game. Look, there you go, Sonic All-Stars. Click that. If your game is not in the list, you can come down here to the optional tags, and I highly recommend you type it in there. Let's say you played Metal Gear, which it's probably in the list, but for our purposes, as an example, we're going to type that there. And then maybe you played another game. You'll notice you can only pick one game in this particular category up here. Anything else you want to add to your tags. That helps people find your videos. If it's a live stream, type out live stream. If you streamed it on Twitch or Kick, anything that will help people find you. If you streamed with someone else, go ahead and add their names in there too. If you rent now, you're only allowed up to 10 tags total. If you streamed with 10 people, you're not going to be able to type all 10 names here. You want to do that up here in your description. Be descriptive. It helps people find you. And you want people to find you if you expect to make it anywhere. Related video, if you make a short to go with it, you can tag that in there. If you don't, it's up to you. Feature video on top of your profile. If this is the main video you want people to see in your channel, that'll put it up there at the very top. It's the first thing anyone will see when they come to your channel. The thing about that is, if you replace it with another video, then whatever video you have at the top will be gone. It doesn't add more to it. You only get one. So be particular about that. Now, you can do public, unlisted, or private. In this case, we're going to do public. We want everyone to see this. Now, you can also schedule it. If you click scheduled, it'll ask for the time. If you click in here, you can pick what day. If I want it to air next week, I can click the 19th. You can even go into the Dropbox and set a time. We'll say 5:30 a.m. Hit apply. Now your time is set. It's scheduled. As you can see here, it's set for New York for me. Your time zone may be set differently. You can change that in the settings. Pay attention to that. This will send out notifications to your followers as it says. Check that if you want. You can only do that once every 24 hours, exactly as it says. Now, before I go any further, if you want to upload anything larger, higher quality, say 1080 or even up to 4K, you need to pay for a premium account. I'm not doing that right now, so it is what it is. A premium account will run you $10 a month. If you don't want to pay that, you can pay annually, and it's a lot cheaper. It's up to you. But keep in mind, any video you upload that's more than a couple hours long will be reduced in quality to 720. That's just how they save money. If you want the full quality, you have to pay for a premium membership. You can go in and set up a subscription up here and manage subscriptions. I'm not going to go into that in this video. If you need to find out more information on that, you can look into it. Now, once it's uploaded, you can come over here to thumbnails, pick a thumbnail, or choose your own. If you have one made, if you want to let it pick one, you can, or you can pick from the 3 it automatically chose. Doesn't matter, it's up to you. Once everything's filled out and you're happy with it, you come down here to upload, click that button, takes you over here. These are your license options. Pay attention to that. If you want to upload this anywhere else, you need to pick a licensing option that will allow you to do that. And a word of advice, you want to be able to upload anywhere, everywhere you can. That's how you get a wider audience. If you want more information here, you can click the little eye over here and it'll explain everything individually. I'm not uploading this video anywhere else because it's purely a test video for this particular tutorial. So I'm going to leave it on Rumble only. Additional information, you can fill that out if you like. I don't need to in this case. It's up to you. Syndication options. You can also co-publish this to YouTube. Now, I'm not going to do that because the tutorial is going on YouTube. But the test video doesn't need to be there. If you would like to take advantage of that, just turn this on. You do make sure you read all the conditions and agreements before you do anything. Now, obviously, I haven't signed any exclusive agreements. Check that box. I agree to the terms of service. Check that box. And then hit submit. And there you go. Everything's done. Now, go to your channel, if you have one, and pull up your video. As you'll see now, it's waiting to encode. While it's waiting, you can come over here, and this is very important. You want to create playlists because Rumble doesn't really put your videos in any kind of order. That's why the tags are so important. So go ahead. Now, keep in mind, this is a scheduled video. If you're not scheduling, these videos will go live immediately, and you come out here and go ahead and create a playlist. If you create a playlist on a scheduled video, it will put it there whether it's scheduled or not. Now, we're going to create a new playlist called Tutorials, and it's a public playlist. And these videos explain things, short and simple. Hit create and save. Now your playlist is created. Go back to save again. You'll see it there so you can use it in the future. You can create as many playlists as you want. Anything that's already created as a playlist will be on every future video when you come down here and click save. It makes things a lot easier. If you have a whole series you want to add, if I do another tutorial, I can just come up here, check this box on the next video, it'll add it automatically. And they put them in this playlist in the order you add them. So if you add them out of order, expect them to be out of order. And then here you can see the tags we chose down here. Again, maximum of 10, so pay attention to that. There's your description. Everything you need is there. And once you get your channel set up, you'll see all that. You'll be able to go to playlist, and that playlist will be available for your subscribers. I hope that explains everything. Makes things a little bit easier for some of you out there. If not, throw a question in the comments. I'll answer you as best I can. Thank you. Have fun and enjoy creating content.